Check out these gorgeous faux cherry blossom trees. I received these as a gift from the company so that I could set them around in my home and show you how absolutely beautiful they are. There are a few things I want to tell you about these. I want to show you how they came out of the box and how they get put together. Super easy, only took a couple of minutes. And I'm going to show you what they look like in different areas. So let's get to it. Check out how these two trees came in this small box. It's because you've got 4 pieces. You've got the 2 base pieces with the pots and then the 2 trees, and they just simply screw together like this. Realistic bark looking on this, and that's all there is to it. And then you're just going to fluff the branches. So you can fluff the flowers. You could use a hairdryer if you wanted. And then each of those branches is bendable, so you can put it exactly the way you want it. This is my entryway opposite the front door, and they look so pretty next to that already existing table. And then this is my front door, the opposite side, and I've got them there in front of the windows. Looks so pretty, and you can see in this shot how realistic those cherry blossoms look. The green foliage just looks very, very pretty. Let's pause for just a second so that I can tell you, if you love these as much as I do, you can find the link down in the description so that you can go get them for yourself. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe. Now, on to the next area of my house. This is my dining room, and this is where I've decided to keep them because they look so pretty with my pink checkered tablecloth. But you could put these in an office, you could put these in a bedroom. They're so versatile and they look really beautiful.